Cyclone Winston was the strongest cyclone to ever make landfall in the southern hemisphere. It was a brutal reminder that our climate is changing for the worse, and that many Pacific nations are unacceptably vulnerable to natural disasters. Disasters that the experts tell us will become more frequent and more severe. Honorable Chairman, as MSG member countries, we face shared challenges, whether they be geographical or environmental. It is incumbent on us to collaborate and share knowledge about which climate adaptation measures have worked and which have not. And together we will make sure all our people are prepared for what is to come. In Fiji, disaster resilience is a top national priority. Climate resilience measures are mainstreamed into our national planning and then through the respective ministries and agencies. Because when storms hit, every sector feels the impact. So our resilience must spread to every facet of Fijian society. Mr. Chairman, our partnership is built on unique bonds. Our partnership exists and succeeds because of those bonds. It is truly a one-of-a-kind relationship that we must all strive to preserve. Similarly, the MSG granted associate membership to Indonesia, observer status to the United Liberation Movement for West Papua. And I'm very glad to see the respective representatives here today. Suffice to say, we as the MSG must always respect the sovereignty of all members, associate member countries of the MSG. If we do otherwise, we will undermine the premise of the MSG. Because only through respect of the sovereignty and commitment to dialogue can we reach mutual understanding. Only through prosperity can we guarantee a bright future for countries and our children and our children's children. Honorable Chair, so whether it be climate change or the various challenges of achieving the sustainable development goals or improving the livelihoods of our people, there is work to be done. Economic well-being and prosperity is also facilitated through trade and commerce. In Fiji, we are proud to have achieved our 8th straight year of economic growth. Even accounting for the massive damage caused by Cyclone Winston, we are still set for a growth rate of 2.8% in the upcoming year. That is owed in no small part to our connections with MSG countries. Our trade with MSG nations accounts for 24% of our trade with the Pacific Island countries. And we have also attracted investment from MSG member countries, especially from Papua New Guinea, across a wide range of economic sectors. The recent implementation of a legal framework among MSG countries is also a cause for celebration. This framework provides a foundation to deepen our trade ties and better integrate our economies, a welcome step in taking the unique MSG partnership to a new level. And to complement the steady increases inter-MSG trade every year, Fiji plans to sign the revised membership trade agreement that is important to improve flows of services, investments, and labor. We are confident that this agreement is a major milestone that provides tying our exports and imports, improving our access to and integration into the multilateral trading system. In order to be a serious participant in the multilateral trading system, we must ensure that the intertrade within MSG is not undermined by political interference and skewed application of domestic laws. This would mean the proper application of and enforcement of the MSG trade agreement. Honorable Chair, that is the future Fiji sees for the MSG. A partnership that brings out the best of each member country and puts us all on stronger footing on the world stage. We have seen what we can accomplish together on issues such as climate change advocacy. It is possible to spread that spirit of unity and cooperation to our economic development as well. Because as we always speak more loudly when we speak together. We also advance more rapidly when we do so side by side. Honorable Chair, every year the MSG grows stronger, more unified, more prepared to face modern challenges. This year is no different. We have strengthened our bonds and economic ties. There are always new obstacles and new issues that we must confront. However, the MSG has never been more capable of doing so than it is today. Honorable Chairman, thank you for your continued friendship and support. And we are particularly grateful in Fiji for the support we received throughout the Pacific towards the successful election of Ambassador Peter Thompson to be president of the 71st session of the UN General Assembly. It was a big win for one of the most small island states in our fight to alert the global community to the disastrous realities of climate change, and another shining example of what our teamwork can accomplish. We are also excited about our candidate for the MSG Director General, Ambassador Inoke, whose qualifications and experience speak loud. I hope that you will find him worthy of your support as well. Honorable Chairman, thank you again for hosting this meeting and the gracious manner in which you have welcomed us to your shores. We look forward to our deliberations today and to spending time with our fellow leaders. Let's explore new areas of cooperation and opportunities. Thank you, Tomas.